Right, so this is my first repair video. I bought this game, got the idea from John Riggs. I thought it'd be cool to start off with, see if we can get it working. This is a copy of Pokemon Yellow that is not meant to boot. So, sorry about the mess. First off, we're just going to try it in my Game Boy. See if we get any boot at all. Right, we get something, but it's not reading it properly. So, what we'll try first is cleaning it with some IPA, and we'll see if that helps, if I can find the right bit. So, I've been meaning to make one of these videos for a while, but just getting around to it. I'm finding the right sort of item to start. I'm finding the actual right bit to open this up with. Do you know what I've got? There we go. Get there in the end. Right, so first time opening this up. Original battery on them pins are a little bit tarnished. I might not be able to get this going, but we'll see. If this doesn't work, we can always get the soldering iron on it. Well, let's just see if we can get any dirt off here. A little bit of dirt. The IPA is not going to do any damage to it. But yeah, these pins are definitely being used a lot. So let's try again. Hopefully you can see everything, since it's the first time I've used it. And literally, that's it. Hopefully you can see that. I only paid £8.50 for it posted, and literally, obviously it's going to need a new battery. I'll do that at some point in another video. But yeah, this is just a little video. I'll have more coming, and I just thought it'd be cool. I saw it posted up on the Facebook Marketplace for £5. Said it didn't work, £3.50 postage. So I thought, yeah, make an interesting video. I was hoping to be able to get the soldering iron out, but as you saw, all it literally took was, screw that back together now. All it literally took was a little bit of IPA and a cotton swab, and I got a game that I paid £8.50 now is worth 20. It's got not a too bad label, and we'll add it to the collection. Well, thanks for watching. Maybe like, comment, subscribe. I do some other videos as well. I've been doing some stuff on Grand Theft Auto, some other games, stuff like that. Leave a comment if there's any games that you're into. I'll do another video on replacing the battery. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks a lot again. When I get a bit more tidy, I'll have a little show around my little work area that I'm getting going. But that's it. Thanks. Bye.